Hi, I'm Ray Meadows, Prince of Finance, and with me is my friend Hiromi. Hiromi, so
Yes.
I had a question. Have you ever heard of the term passive income?
Yeah, passive income, yes.
You like that idea?
Yeah.
Have you heard of the term passive investing?
No.
No. Okay. Well,
Same thing.
have you heard of active investing?
Active income.
Active income. Okay. Well, I want to explain these things a little bit. When people talk about passive income, what they mean is they got money rolling in from some investment and they don't have to do anything.
Yeah,
They
sounds
could sit on the
great.
beach. It's like the perfect thing we all want, right?
Yeah.
Passive income just rolls in and we're taking it in. So, passive investing is really the same idea. It's putting your money into something that you don't have to think about. And it's just on autopilot. That's what passive investing is. So you remember last time we talked about, we talked about a lot of things over time, but one of the things we talked about was market index funds. So a market index fund is considered passive investing because no one is thinking about it. It's just a set of stocks at a certain weight and someone made up that index and now everyone just invests on autopilot. They don't think, oh, should I buy more Apple stock or more Google stock? No, they just buy the index, done. So that's passive investing, okay? Now, active investing on the other hand is going, I think Apple stock is so good right now. I want to buy lots of Apple. And I really don't like Uber stock right now, so I don't want to have any of that. And picking the stocks that you think are going to do well and staying away from the ones you think are going to go bankrupt or not do well. So active means choosing things and trying to earn a higher return by being smart. So that's an active. Now, does that mean you're going to actually do better being active than passive? No. You might get it wrong. You might do the exact opposite. In fact, I have clients that when they tell me they want to buy something, I know it's time to sell. And when they tell me they want to sell something, I know it's time to buy because the market does exactly the opposite of whatever they do. So sometimes being active is not the smart thing to do. So it just sort of depends which one is right for you and how much time you want to spend on it.
This sounds nice.
Yeah. If you want to just kick back and let it take care of itself, passive investing is the way to go. If you want to be active investing, keyword is active. You have to actually put some work into it, study the stocks, read the earnings reports. If you don't like that stuff, don't do it. Stick with the passive because this is a lot of work.
I can get it wrong too.
And you can get it wrong.
And
I spend my whole career trying to figure out what to invest in. I have to spend a lot of time doing it.
And how is it?
It's fine, but I spend all my time doing it. So if you don't have that much time,
don't do it.
You either have to do passive investing or hire someone. Now,
hire him.
Yeah, or you can hire me. But if you're retired, and you need something to keep your mind active and you like numbers and earnings report, then yeah, it's a great thing. Go and be active, and actually even if you don't do well, you'll still have fun.
I don't think so.
Oh.
If you lose money, no, not really. I'd be like miserable, I think.
Yeah. So sometimes you can make extra money this way. I have some ways that
like instant?
Not instantly.
Okay. Forget it then.
There's no free lunch. People who tell you that don't trust them.
Okay.
Don't trust them.
Okay.
Any kind of investing that's going to do well takes time and patience. Time and patience. So that's the key. Just being patient. And if you don't want to put a lot of effort in, go with the passive investing or hire someone.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.